This is a real-time hand tracking control module. It combines computer vision, Python, and Arduino to translate hand gestures into physical motion, using a servo motor and a digital output. I start by assembling the hardware components. This includes an Arduino board, a servo motor, and a basic LED circuit, which together form the physical layer of the system. I then move to the software side, writing the code from scratch. As you can see, in Python, I use OpenCV for video capture and the MediaPipe hands for real-time hand landmark detection. Specific landmarks are extracted and used to compute distances between fingers. These values are mapped to servo angles through a calibrated mathematical relationship. Gesture-based conditions are also defined to trigger digital signals. While on the Arduino side, I rely on a serial communication to receive both numerical values and control commands. And also, the firmware validates incoming data, constrains servo angles within a physical limit, and executes motion through the servo library. This is the complete Python code, and now we are gonna run it and wait. As you can see, when the system runs, real-time values are printed to the terminal. This output allows continuous verification of hand detection accuracy, gesture threshold, and system stability. These are the live distance values from hand tracking. As you can see, these are all the landmarks in my hand. As the hand moves, landmarks are updated frame by frame. The processed data is immediately translated into physical motion, demonstrating a closed-loop interaction between vision and actuation. This final sequence demonstrates the module operating as a complete system. Its compact design and modular architecture make it fully expandable. See you in the next project.